Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is day 12 of 30 days English speaking challenge, and today is this episode going to be very special because here someone and she will introduce herself. If you don't mind, could you introduce yourself?
My name is Natasha. I'm 5 years old and I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, you have a YouTube channel?
Yes,
What is your YouTube channel name?
Languages and Math with Natasha.
Okay. And you are running a YouTube channel and that channel name is Languages and Math with Natasha.
Yes, I
Okay.
recently have 147 subscribers.
Okay, which type of content do you upload?
I upload English learning videos. I have only requested my viewers to support me.
I am trying to improve my English speaking skill and I want improve my communication skill. That's why I'm here. And today,
You should say, today I will improve my English speaking skills a little bit more. My favorite subjects are math and English because I know math very well and I love English.
but you are so fluent at English. How did you learn English language? You are so little.
I just learned English by myself. I actually don't remember that story.
Okay, you are so fluent at English.
I also want to be fluent at English. And if you don't want to use also, I also want to be fluent in English.
I also want to be fluent in English.
At English.
At English. I also want to be fluent at English.
Well, you could take some tips from me.
Okay, please give me some tips. How can I improve my English speaking skill?
One tip which I know is to go in front of your mirror and say some things like about your daily routine, your day, and anything else.
Okay, then I will be fluent.
There are some more tips.
Okay.
Always practice English with yourself or me or any other relative who knows English.
But sometimes I can't remember the next word or next sentence. What should I say?
Well, then you would have to talk to me.
Okay, talking to you every time, not my mind refused to talk to you in English language every day.
Okay. Always in the morning, afternoon, and night.
I will try practice English and I will try to talk to you every day. Okay.
Okay.
And do you want to say something to new learner who wants to learn English, who wants to be fluent?
If you want to be fluent at English, then please check out my YouTube channel.
Thank you for giving me your precious time. That's all about the 12 videos, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.